Alden with your update. Post ni Alden sa kanyang social media account. Ang sabi niya, and with that, the 2023 season comes to an end. Good night. 2023, thank you. 2024, looking forward to you. Ayan yung mga ginawa at nagawa ni Alden ng 2023. Mas higitan ni Alden yan sa 2024. Ang dami nagawa ni Alden. Nag-host siya sa Netflix, sa Lazada, magpakailanman. Ayan pa yung mga nagawa ni Alden. 5 breakups in a romance. Ang cover niya sa magazine. Yung Tesla niya, yung guesting, yung mall show, yung premiere night, and station ID. Yung mga black screening, mga events, yung Lazada, guesting again. Yung parade, yung family of 2, Thanksgiving, pagde-director, grabe yun. Yung abangan yan, 2024. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell para line update po on your reaction vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.